Okay, YouTube, I stopped on the way home today to pick up some elbow macaroni at Walmart. And normally I don't buy meat from Walmart, but I did notice this. And you see that big reduced price tag? It's $5.56. Let me see if I can get close enough where you can see it was $7.93 normally. And even then, I still don't normally buy chicken from Walmart, but I did because this is Harvest Land chicken thigh fillets, boneless, skinless chicken thigh fillets. And look, no artificial, no antibiotics ever, fed all vegetarian diet, no animal byproducts, humanely raised, and raised cage free. So this was definitely a good buy and a good prep for today. And we will throw this in the freezer since I don't have a pressure canner, and one step closer. Thank you, YouTube. You have a blessed day.